Robert is a teacher. He is a favorite among the students.
1, 2, 3.
Florence is a mother and a lawyer. She is caring and devoted to her family. Mark is a musician. He always knew that music was his passion and his future. His disability did not prevent Robert from completing university. Florence was born blind. It hasn't stopped her from being a perfect mother. Mark became Buchaman, one of Uganda's best-known musicians. Look beyond the surface, see the ability. This message was brought to you by the Legal Action for People with Disabilities and Handicap International.